Well, Charlie, that was wonderful.
That was so cute.
Oh, the fake Michael Jackson fans up in here. I love me some fake Michael Jackson fans up in here, because we're all idiots together in this Michael Jackson community. Can I get a hell yeah, woo woo from my moonwalkers, my moon trapper community?
Nice head of hair, I'll say it.
It's close to midnight. Something evil's lurking in the dark. Yeah, under the moonlight, you see a sight that almost stops your heart. Yeah, you try to scream, but terror takes the sound before you make it. You start to freeze as horror looks you right between the eyes. You are lost, 'cause this is thriller night, and no one's gonna save you from the beast about to strike you. No, it's thriller night. You fighting for your life inside.